Hey class, it's Mr. Schaefer, and today we are going to be diving into dividing with decimals. You're going to need a pencil and paper for the end of this lesson, so go ahead and pull those out now. Specifically, today we are going to be talking about dividing a decimal by a whole number. For our example today, we are going to be doing 32.8 divided by 4. Go ahead and set up your long division how you normally would with the dividend, which here is 32.8, the number you are dividing in the box, as you see here, and the divisor, the number outside the box, the number you are dividing by is 4, and you put it out here, just how you would normally set up long division, except this time you have the decimal point in here. And to that point, you're going to add the decimal right above up here on the line where you will put your answer, your quotient, right above where you have the decimal in the dividend. Go ahead and do your long division as normal, remembering that you have the decimal point here. So 4 can go into 32 8 times. 32 divided by, or minus 32 is 0. You bring down the 8. 4 goes into 8 2 times. So you put 2 up here, but remember to put it behind the decimal since this number that you brought down is behind the decimal. So, and then 8 minus 8 is 0. So your answer, 32.8 divided by 4 equals 8.2. But what if we have a remainder? So let's say instead of 32.8 as our dividend, what if we did 32.9? Well, it would start the same, but then we'd bring down the 9 instead of the 8. 4 goes into 9 2 times. 9 minus 8 equals 1. So we have 8.2 with a remainder of 1. Well, what do? We add a 0 to the end of 32.9. Because as we know, if you add a 0 to the end of a decimal, the value of the number does not change. 32.9 is worth the same as 32.90. So you're going to add that 0 to the end of 32.9, and you're going to bring down the 0 next to the 1 to give you 10. 4 goes into 10 2 times, so it's 10 minus 8 equals 2. So 8.22, remainder 2. Well, you have another remainder, so let's do it again. Add another 0 over here, 32.900 now, and you bring down that 0 to give you 20. Well, 4 goes into 25 times for a total of 20. 20 minus 20 equals 0. So no more remainder, so you have your answer, 8.225. 32.9 divided by 4 equals 8.225. Now go ahead and pause your video here, take out your paper and pencil, and find an answer to these problems by using long division. I'll give you a chance to do that now. So here are your answers to those. 19.2 divided by 6 equals 3.2. 39.2 divided by 7 equals 5.6. 9.6 divided by 5 equals 1.92. And 21.5 divided by 4 equals 5.375. If you got all those right, great job. If you got any wrong, go ahead and check your work and correct it if you find any mistakes. I'll have you keep these papers and we'll have you turn them in class. Great job today, guys, and I will see you in class.